What's up, everybody? Boosted here. Um, yeah, today is gonna be a doozy. At least this video is. Because if you saw the short, you know why. If you didn't see the short, oh, buddy, get ready. As you can tell, I also kind of stopped wearing the mask. I gave up trying to do that. Uh, it was pretty hot, and it was starting to get annoying because it kept falling down or getting in my eyes. Couldn't put my zins in. Couldn't have my drinks. So yeah, I'm just, you see it, you see it, you don't see it, you don't see it, it's whatever. I'm just here to make content about cars and or anything vehicle related. So yeah, there's that. Also coming out later this week or next week, I tried to put some parts on the truck. My personal truck, the LML to be specific. Yeah, that didn't go so hot. I tried to record it today, and let's just say I have to call the company I bought my stuff from to get more parts because all the parts were not there. So there's that. Yeah. Anyway, also, I've been seeing on the ads on TikTok for Icy Box. I got it. I had a good day. The first day I had it. The second day, it's not a gambling problem unless you make it one. You can stop at any point. It did pay for all the parts on the truck though. So I kind of, it's a 50-50 shot if I need it or not. But with that being said, let's get into this absolute disaster of a video that I've just fumblefucked my way through to create. And yeah, so that happened. I'll bring it nice and close that way you guys can see as I'm trying not to hit everything. Nice and creamy right there. It smells like coolant, smells like gas, smells like oil. It's the one-stop shop. And it's a little toasty. So that means for us, we get to take it apart and replace the head gasket. I already went ahead and bought the head gasket. I already brought new oil too, oil filter, and injector cleaner because I'm not replacing those injectors. Those can stay right there and how they are. Plus, I also don't feel like spending the money on it if they work pretty decently fine. So there's that. I'm gonna go ahead and get tools up. I'm giving myself a 2-drink maximum today to work on it before I gotta go. But I got my Zins, I got my dip. We are going to either be very efficient or very slow and dumb. I guess only time will tell. Alrighty, intake has been taken off. I think getting that throttle off is going to be the next easy step here. I need to go and get something to cut that zip tie off. How do I want to face this camera? Well, you guys leaned back a lot there. We'll zoom you in a lot. Yeah, that should be fine. Need my keys. Alright, so time to get our 8mm bolts out of here.
I love swivel joints, but I also hate them at the same time. It's a love-hate relationship, you know. If I haven't said anything for a little bit, I apologize. I'm just really focused. Long ass fucking bolt. God damn, my boy. See if I get my big meaty claws back there. I need to wash the trailer and the truck and the car. And there's 3. Is there another one back there? Oh, yep, it's right there in front of my face. I could probably get away with that. Yeah. The grizzly's falling apart in my mouth. Come on now. I also realized that there's really no perk of hiding my face, except for being hot as shit behind a mask. And honestly, I don't want to be hot as hell. Come on, let me just lay down. Yeah. Nasty. It hurts. The bird. The bird feels good. I don't know if you guys are on TikTok or not, but I've been seeing all the ads for Icy Box, the Watch Strong game, and I decided to try it out. It's actually pretty good. Might have to call them to see if I can get a sponsorship, but I highly doubt they'll sponsor me because I'm doing shit like this all the time. Wow, that is hot. That's the last one. We're good. We're good. Everything's okay. I need to go find my adapter. I'll have to just put the fucking impact on this damn thing. You want to be big and strong? Start doing automotive work like this. Or go to the gym. I do both. But this one helps out a lot more. Makes you work things you never knew could be worked. Okay, cool. I found it. It was hiding from me. I was going to try to do this whole thing with, common hand tools, just hand sockets, but we see how far that got. Not very. I don't want to fuck that up, so we're gonna use this guy. Come on. Get on there. Can you go on the bolt, please? Thank you. Okay, well, I see that went swimmingly. Well, my 1/4-inch swivel socket's now down for the count, so that's cool. But don't worry, I have a 3/8 swivel socket. Alright. Come on. You can do it. I believe that you will come out now. Yay! Alright, now what's holding you in? A lot of shit, apparently. God damn. Alright, so that whole system needs to come out. Anything over here holding you on? Don't be another 8. Be like a 10, like a normal human. Oh, it's a 10, thank God. Perfect. I got thems. Alrighty. Other way. I'm about to close that damn shed. It's starting to irritate me. It's making me angry. Could have probably also used the impact on that, but oh well. Throw that up there. Climb back up onto this stupid... I almost lost the socket. Back up onto this stupid thing. God, Jesus. There isn't really a good place to do this. Come on now. Do you unplug from there? Because if you do, that would be fan-freaking-tastic. Tastic. That's the word I was looking for. You're connected onto there. That looks like some wires. It also looks like some wires. But that's okay, because we can just do this. I don't know about doing that. Perfection. So we can remove this bracket, take the spring out, should free up tension on that. Even though it's not going to do anything. Do what everything's going to do. Freak out. All I want to know is, are you going to cooperate in me taking the head gaskets off? Alright, that's it. I have had enough of that. We're using the big boy shit. Come on. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, now how does this... Please bear with me as I try to disassemble this without looking at it. Just kidding, I'm gonna have to look at it. And I got it. Vroom vroom. Pedal to the metal. Alright, cool. Now we have all of this open room. I swear, if you tell me there's a fucking bolt back there, I'm gonna lose my goddamn mind. Ford, how the fuck am I supposed to get this one? I would just like to know that question. Because this looks fucking impossible. Never mind. It's not impossible. For me, it's the power of imagination. Alright, now I gotta get that shit out. Are you a 10? Let's find out. It's a 10. Who would have thunk? No, don't you do this. Oh, you're gonna make me do it. Okay. Oh, shit. Did not mean for that to happen. Lady. Can you come out? Pretty please? Asking for a friend? I might be able to get the impact on this one. We'll find out. I do have... Stand by. Stand by as I reassess carnage. The thing is, though, I don't know if it's going to come out in like one piece or if it's going to be like multiple pieces. That's what I'm scared about. I thought I had another extension over here, I guess not. Excuse me while I get this in here. Absolute money. Hopefully, don't buy biofuel. Just get a straight gas, please. Because if this video doesn't prove enough, then I don't know what does. Are you fucking kidding me right now? Release. Can you release, please, for me? There it is. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Okay. Okay, well, this all comes out in one piece there. What the hell am I getting snagged up on the back heel for? Release me. Where do you go? What do you do? That goes to that one. That red goes to that one. This guy. Come on. There it is. Boom. Throttle assembly out. That gasket's really fucked up now that I'm looking at it. Pew. This thing smells like shit. Alright, we're gonna set this up to the side. Oh god. Well, tired and dozy after that one. Might need to get me a little drinky drink. And we got at least 3/4. The bottom half of the one injector plug is still in there. Fuel rail is still connected. I'm gonna just say fuck it, and we're gonna ball out on a mystery limb here. I did drop a socket, but no need to fear, I got it back. I did disconnect one hose. My dumbass didn't look at where it went, and so coolant kind of went a little everywhere. But you know, good news is there was green at the end, not at the beginning. The beginning was brown and disgusting. But you know, who really is looking at any of that? So we're gonna go ahead and do our best to remove this intake manifold with everything that's still in there, and then I think that's probably gonna be wraps for the day, only because yeah, I got somewhere to be, and B, I'm bleeding everywhere. Pretty sure my elbow is bending a way that elbow shouldn't bend, but you know, it's whatever, it's okay. We balling out, cause every little thing gonna be not okay. There's one. Where are all of you at? You're gonna make me get in here, aren't you? Yes, I am. Thanks. That's exactly how I wanted this to go. This fucking thing is gonna piss me off. Go ahead with that one. And that one. And that one. Coolant is still getting everywhere. Awesome. I'm glad my paper, whatever the fuck I tried to do, isn't working. Go ahead and take these guys out, because there should only be 4 more left. One. That is nasty. A two. Feel like I'm on Elmo right now. Oh damn, that thing really in there. Oh shit. That's not good. Come on. If this thing would stop pissing coolant, that would be fucking awesome too. Alright, I'm gonna take. Stop that. I'm gonna take a nap right here. If it was actually comfortable, it is not comfortable. And I would really like coolant to stop. Oh, cool. So that spark plug is absolutely fucking cooked now. I like spin this upwards. Hold on. We're gonna try something. Just spinny spin for now. Alright, that's good enough. And then, ow, son of a bitch. Stop that. You little. Now stay. And stay. Yay! Now it's not dumping coolant all over my number 2 spark plug. I'm about to bash this fucking grill in if it keeps it up. Awesome, it's way to hell back there. Now, how the hell? Okay. Smaller extension it is. Where is it? Where are you? Use fuck Comedy Central over here today, and hey, okay, cool. There's that. There's that. How in the fuck? Release, you demon. Okay, you don't want to release. We can do this the easy way or the hard way. Okay, awesome. That's not going to work how I want it to. I'm going to do the smart thing here, and I'm going to pop a squat. I hope you guys enjoyed whatever you were able to see on the camera. I'm cut up. The intake started pissing coolant everywhere, so suspect number 1 right there. This is probably going to be part 1 of probably a shitload. I hope you guys enjoyed. If not, oh well. I'm still going to be doing this, trying to get it sold. Enjoy the commentary, don't enjoy the commentary. Listen to it muted or with music in the background. I don't know what to tell you. I hate this truck. Until next time, stay boosted.